Hi everyone and welcome back to Interview Chronicles Season 4. Today we are in the 31st episode of this series and today we have Anushka here with us who has been recently placed at BlackRock as a part of her campus placements at VIT. She is here to share her interview experience with us. Let's go and talk to her. There was no specific eligibility criteria for this company. Panel and congratulations on your placement. So, would you like to introduce yourself first?
Yeah, thank you so much for having me. I am Anushka. I am currently pursuing my final year of BTech in Computer Science Engineering with a specialization in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning here from VIT Chennai. And I recently got an offer from BlackRock for an internship for the 6 months from Jan to June 2025. So,
Oh,
yeah.
okay, that's great. Congratulations. And you cannot tell us about the placement process, like how many rounds were there and what they comprised of.
Okay, so initially we were given a Google form where BlackRock actually has come for 5 roles in our campus.
Okay.
So the data and software, the portfolio management, the risk management, and the marketing
Okay.
was the fifth. So these 5 roles, and we had to fill our preference. There was no such any other criteria. It was just a Google form with our preference.
Okay.
Followed that, we had a PPT, and then there was a shortlist that was sent for the test.
Okay.
So the shortlist had a CGPA bracket after above which the students were eligible to give the test. And post giving the test, so the test was basically, it was an MCQ based test with there were 4 segments. Each segment had a separate time limit. There was initially complete maths like simple interest, compound interest, those kind of concepts, so complete maths questions. Followed by, there was logical reasoning, and there was visual representations. You had to like match the pattern and those kind of questions.
Okay.
Then there was a complete algorithm was given with a lot of fill in the blanks, so we had to fill in the particular brackets to complete the algorithm. And the last was SQL and Oracle based database questions.
Okay.
So these are the 4 rounds which were there, which the entire OA round comprised of.
Okay.
Following that, a week later, we got a short list. So for every each of the groups, there were particular people who were shortlisted and a particular group of people who were waitlisted.
Okay.
So all the shortlisted students got a mail for the first round of technical interview on the which was scheduled on the next day. So I had my interview early in the morning, the next day, where my interview was majorly focused on OOPS concepts. So
Okay.
everything, right from all the 4 pillars of OOPS to all everything like OOPS to depth was covered. Then they also asked me Java code, which I had to show them while running it on my VS Code. So I had to code it for them. And parallelly, they also asked me SQL questions. They asked me, so in my resume, I have full stack mentioned. So they asked me a bit of front end technologies about React and all of that.
Okay.
Then coming to my projects, one of my projects also had concepts related to machine learning and NLP. So I was asked about that as well. So a basic project idea, how I performed it, what I used in it, and all of that. So that was what the first technical round consisted of. And yeah, after that, within an hour, I got a call that I have been shortlisted for the next round, which was basically the HR and the final round.
Okay.
HR round was pretty basic. They asked me if I was comfortable with relocating to Gurgaon, and they asked me a bit, because it's a finance based company. So they did ask me a bit about like, do I have any knowledge in the finance segment? Do I know about certain things? And yeah, it was a very basic general discussion, why I wanted to join BlackRock, why do I think why do I feel like I'm a fit for this role. So those kind of questions, general behavioral questions were asked.
Okay.
And post that, by the end of that day, so around 10 o'clock in the night, I received a mail from the college that I have been shortlisted.
Okay, okay, that's great. Congratulations again. And
Yeah,
thank you
thank
so
you.
much for sharing your experience. Like, do you have any suggestions for your juniors or anything that you'd like to share from your experience?
Yeah, so definitely this entire placement time, it's very, very overwhelming and it can be a bit stressful. So I would say the biggest thing is stay calm, have a timetable, follow a particular routine, and go refer to as many resources as you can, take help from seniors, text them on LinkedIn for resources, watch YouTube videos, and even check out interview preparation tips or prior experiences on YouTube. YouTube is the best resource, I would say. And just, yeah, stay calm, trust on God's plan, and it's going to work out for the best.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much for your experience and for the suggestions. I'm sure it's gonna help many people. And yeah, thank you so much. Thank you all for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And let me know which company you would like next.